Let's take a look at the new custom lead routing feature in DYL. So you'll go to your settings page, and then you'll see lead routing at the bottom left. And what this will allow you to do is to completely customize how your leads get to your staff. You have a lot of options here. So if I go to create route, you can see that we can segment by source. So those of you getting leads from multiple lead sources or your own website, you can segment those out here. So let's just say I choose bulk upload. You can also choose by type of lead. So if you're getting different types of leads like auto loans, home loans, commercial, whatever it may be, you can select that there as well. And then we have our distribution type. So this gives you a few other options as well. Lead Connect is what you're most used to as a DYL customer. This is where a lead is unassigned. It rings in a round robin and assigns it to the first person that answers the phone. You can also do an auto assign feature, which will automatically assign your leads 24 hours a day to different staff members. Or you can only assign after hours. So what that will do is have Lead Connect on while you're open, and then after you close for the evening, it will automatically assign those overnight leads to different reps. Then you can also choose your destination. So if you want leads to go to an individual user, you can do it that way, or even individual groups by location. And you can choose your distribution method. So the round robin will just ring everyone in a queue, or you can go by ratio. And ratio will allow you to segment out leads and give more leads to your top performers. So if you want a certain rep to get 40% of the leads while everyone else gets 10%, now you can do that. And we'll have a separate training on how to set up those ratios. Once I've got the route the way I want it, I just save. And then I can also segment out by location. So those of you with different locations in different states, different zip codes, now you can segment out leads to the right location. All I have to do is hit add location. Let's say I'm doing West LA as a zip code. Just hit confirm. And you'll see it says default. And what that will do is in case the zip code doesn't come through, it will give you an option to route it. And then if I want to go by certain zip codes, all I do is type them in here, separated by a comma or space. Then I would just save it that way. Or if I'm doing this for a state, I can do this as well. So if I'm just having leads come from Alaska, for example, I would just route it that way and save. And then finally at the bottom, we have your automatic callbacks. So this will import whatever settings you already have, but if you'd like to customize that, you can do that here. So if you want your callbacks when they're missed by an agent to come instantly, minutes later, hours, all the way to months in the future. So you can set up a whole sequence here. So that's just a quick look at the custom lead routing. If you have any additional questions, please contact the service desk, and you can also see additional documentation in the help section in DYL.com.